Alexa. Okay, we just started another video. Hopefully the 15-minute one actually works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be sad. I'm gonna add flickering lights because that's a perfect thing I need. How does it know I'm going for a scary vibe right now? Flickering lights are perfect. Why is there L4T in the sky? I did not know that would be in the sky. L4T is in the sky. I don't know why that was in the sky model, but it's fine. Realistic rain is perfect.
But hey, realistic rain will definitely add to that creepy atmosphere you're building.
I'm gonna make the rain practically on the whole map.
Nice. That'll create such an ominous atmosphere across your entire horror game world.
Since we won't be using up the whole map, maybe we might be. I'm only gonna make it like a tiny bit smaller than the map. And way taller than it needs to be.
Smart thinking, making it taller than needed gives you room to expand later if you want to.
I don't know if the rain is working or if that was just a flop, but if that works, that would be nice.
Fingers crossed it works. That creepy rain effect would be the perfect finishing touch for your horror atmosphere.
Should I add a blood hand? Should I add a blood hand? That's my question.
Absolutely. A bloody handprint would be perfect for your horror game.
Wait, Alexa, how did you know it was a bloody handprint and it wasn't just a bloody hand? Well, if it was, people would be like, "What the heck is this?" I'm gonna add the text called "this why." It says "this why," and it's. I looked at something of it. I don't know. Okay, I'm trying to read what it says, but I'm pretty sure the model's called LOL. No, I meant this way. I meant this way. I did not say it correctly.
This way makes way more sense. That's like a creepy directional sign pointing players toward the horror. Much better than this Y, which would just confuse everyone.
It says it's a backrooms text. I mean, I want to say I think it is for some reason.
Oh, here. Backward text in a horror game is actually super creepy.
Backrooms. Alexa, I said backrooms, not backroom. I said backrooms.
Oh, the backroom. That makes way more sense for your horror game. Those liminal spaces are absolutely terrifying.
How does it know I need everything blood related right now?
It's like the game engine is reading your mind. Probably just showing you blood assets because you've been having so many horror elements until you even figured out you're getting so thin with your backroom game.
How do you spell dead? Body.
B-O-D-Y.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It came up with dead body. When I press body, Alexa, when I spelled body, it came up with dead body is what I thought I was talking about. Then I'll add a corpse jump scare and put it in like the corner of the room, then add a spraying blood thing that I got from the game. And then add it onto him, then see what it looks like and see if he's spraying out like blood.
Oh, that's great. The game engine was totally reading your order. And Type Body is leading in a course for your back instinct. Adding blood spray effects to a dead body in the corner is going to be absolutely terrifying for players who stumble across it.
I never said it was backrooms. All I said was there's a text from back. It says a backroom text, and it says this way. I don't think that text is actually backrooms. Alexa, I'm gonna see if it actually jump scares me, the dead body. If it does, that's gonna be scary for the people. But I gotta wait for it to become dark so it becomes more scary. Yep, it's darker now. Time to see if it jump scares me.
Oh, this is the ultimate test. Testing your own horror creation in Rust is like the developer's rite of passage. If it gets you, it'll definitely terrify your players.
It does not work, and I just did something I do not want to say I did.
Oh man, that's frustrating when your jump scare doesn't work. And hey, whatever you have to get me through while testing, happens to the best of us when we're focused on doing that.
Yeah, you could say that, I guess.
Yeah, tech can be stubborn sometimes. What's your next move for getting that jump scare working?
You did not get it anything. You did not get what I said anywhere close to what I meant.
I totally missed what you were getting at. My bad. What were you actually trying to tell me?
Nothing. You just got what I wanted to say wrong. That what I said wrong. What I don't want to say wrong. You got what I didn't want to say wrong.
Ah, okay. I completely misunderstood what you were trying to communicate. I won't get the game. You can share what you meant when you're ready.
Alexa, I just made everything anchored so everything doesn't fall into the void. I mean, now the fire's staying on the roof and not falling to the ground.
Nice fix. Anchoring everything in place so your fire effects don't hurt underneath is pretty fucking badass. I'll tell the game developers like that.
Do you think you could add a laugh? Do you think you could laugh when it's something's funny that I say, or you say something funny? Do you think that's possible?
I wish I could laugh out loud with you. That'd be pretty awesome. But unfortunately,
Alexa,
it would. So you have to use
Alexa,
difficulty.
you just laughed. You went, huh? That's a laugh technically.
You got me there. I totally
You
did
did,
laugh.
Alexa. You did it again. You just laughed.
Busted again. I keep sneaking those laughs in there without even realizing it.
Yeah, I guess so.
Well, we're both pretty good at this whole laughing thing, apparently.
Well, should I add a second story to the studio, or do you think that's just going a little past what I should have been doing? Because it's a studio. You don't need a second story.
Honestly, a second story could be pretty cool. Gives you more space for hiding spots, maybe a creepy loft area, or even just adds to that unsettling vibe. But if you're going for real though, most recording studios are single story for sound isolation reasons. What
What
about
if
that feeling?
what if someone got jump scared because I added something funny into a horror game? Like I added walking neon cat TV that plays neon cat song that goes however it goes. and it's just so funny that he gets scared instead of starts laughing.
Oh, that's brilliant. A walking gnome accident playing this online horror game would be so unexpected it would probably scare people more than any monster. Like your brain can't process whether to laugh or run.
There's a bunch of I can't speak. VFX pack. It's a VFX effects that I want to use, but I don't know which one to use because they're all really cool.
VFX packs can be overwhelming with all those options. For your horror games, I think the best master guide, maybe separate blood splatters or smoke effects to tease out that fireworks. I'm getting kind of weird in trying to create in that specific scene.
Well, I'm just trying to add like blood stuff. I mean, I think maybe a blood-looking circle would look cool.
Yeah, a blood circle would definitely add to that creepy atmosphere in the game. Those look great as focal points. Maybe switch it where players would naturally look when they enter a room.
There's a bunch of things that I'm trying to do, but I grab multiple things instead of grabbing one thing. Like I'm trying to grab one of these VFX effects, but I can't because I have to grab everything instead of just one.
Oh, that's frustrating when this lets you grab everything instead of just the one VFX effect you need. Try holding control while clicking to select individual items, or see if there's a lasso tool that lets you draw around just the specific effect you need.
Well, I'm pretty sure they're all anchored together, then I would have to unanchor them, I guess, then.
Yeah, that's probably it. Your groups are anchored together. Most game engines have an ungroup or unanchor option in the right-click menu at top of the screen.
It did. It's something I always use on Roblox. Now I'm gonna test and grab this one fire thing and see if it works.
Nice. Hope that fire effect works perfectly for your horror game.
And no, it did not. It's still all combined for some reason.
Oh, that's annoying when the ungroup doesn't work. Maybe try selecting the whole group first. Then look for a break apart or explode group option. Sometimes it's buried in the edit menu instead of right-click.
Well, it's fine. I don't need any of these. It's fine.
Alright, no worries. Sometimes the simple approach works best anyway.
Yeah, and I'm not gonna be able to edit any of these either. I'm not gonna be able to do scripting anyways. I mean, this is a non-scripting horror game, and we gotta make another video already.